Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to know if someone block you on WhatsApp. So in this video, I will show three different way to check if someone block you on your WhatsApp. The last one is the 100% working method. So stay still and first method is the open the WhatsApp application on your Android or iPhone device. Tap on the chat or search for the contact name you want to see if block you or not on your device. So here we open this contact on my device. First way is the make sure profile icon is view on your device. If you see remove the profile icon or blank like this, it means someone block you. Second method is you can also send him message. Here you can see the only one tick mark. So if you see double tick or read receipt message, make sure if you can't see the double tick, it means the user block you on your device. It also might be possible otherwise internet issue. So if block you can't see double tick or a read receipt message on this. And the last one is the most important. This is the confirmation method that someone is block you on your device. So you need to try group on your device. So tap on the plus icon, tap on a new group. Now here we add the contact. Now select the contact you want to check block or not. So here we select this contact. Now this Harsang, this contact is block me on my device. So here we add two contact, Mummy and Harsang. So tap on the arrow icon. Now enter the group name. Here we enter the taste. Now tap on a plus icon on your device. Now here you can see create the group and you can see the only add two contact because we add two person Mummy and Harsang, but here you can't find the option if someone block you on your WhatsApp. This is the 100% working or proven method that person is block you on your device. If not block you, you can see their contact number in this list. So this is the group method. This is the 100% working method to check if someone block you on WhatsApp or not on your Android or iPhone device. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.